All right, everybody, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to dive in.
Haha, awesome. So you know how much I love getting your Excel tips and tricks? And you sent over some stuff about navigation.
Oh, yeah.
And honestly, when I first saw it, I thought,
Yeah.
navigation, what's there to talk about? I mean, I just scroll around.
Right.
But then I started reading,
Yeah.
and wow, this is some powerful stuff.
It really is. I mean, it's fundamental to everything.
Exactly. So, okay, first up is the home key.
Yep. Good old home key.
Yeah. You know, I got to be honest with you. I don't think I've ever used that.
Really?
Maybe once.
Huh.
But I always just scroll.
Oh, yeah. I used to do that too.
But this takes you right to the first cell in your row.
First cell, column A.
Right. Like, boom, you're there.
Instantly.
So, okay, that sounds useful, but like, give me a real world scenario.
Okay, so let's say you're working on a budget and your budget's massive.
Hundreds of columns.
Hundreds of columns. And you're way over in column, like AA or something,
Oh, yeah, I've been there.
making some changes.
Yeah.
And then you need to check something in column A
Huh?
instead of scrolling all the way back.
Which takes forever.
Home key, bam, you're there.
Wow. Yeah, okay, I'm starting to see the power here.
Right.
And the source even had this real-time example
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
where they're like, imagine you're down on row 150
Oh, yeah.
and you need to get back to column A.
It really makes you feel the pain
Man,
of scrolling.
It does. Okay, so that's the home key.
Right.
But what if you need to go all the way back to the beginning?
Like square one.
Yes. Cell A1.
Ah, then you use Cretrol plus home.
Control plus home,
Yep. Takes you right back to the top left corner,
no matter where you are.
no matter where you are.
Wow. I am loving these shortcuts.
They're so helpful.
Okay, so what about if you don't need the whole sheet?
Mm-hmm.
Like, let's say I'm working on a project timeline,
Okay.
and I only care about, like, rows 10 through 20.
Gotcha. So you're working with a specific range.
Yeah, exactly.
So for that, you've
Yeah.
got a couple of options. You can use go to
Oh, yeah, go to.
and just type in the cell reference.
But what if I don't remember the reference?
Well, you can use named ranges.
Named ranges.
Yeah. So you select the cells you care about and you give it a name.
Like project timeline.
Exactly. Then you can just go to and type in project timeline.
And it takes you right there.
Boom. Right to your range.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I'm starting to feel like an Excel ninja already.
Uh-huh. That's the goal. But really, though, these navigation skills are so important
I'm seeing that.
because it's not just about speed. It's about control.
Hmm.
It's about being able to move around your spreadsheet
Yep.
with confidence and focus on what you're trying to achieve.
So we covered a lot today. Home key Critchel plus home named ranges.
It's a lot, but it's all foundational.
Yeah, I'm already thinking about all the time I could save.
Me too. Seriously, think about how much time you waste scrolling.
Ugh, I don't even want to think about it.
But seriously, incorporate these shortcuts
Yes.
and watch your productivity skyrocket.
All right, everybody, that's our deep dive for today.
If you enjoyed it,
Keep practicing those navigation skills,
become an Excel ninja.
and we'll see you next time.
See ya!